How to set A4 size in Excel. Hey guys, this is Lucy and today I'm going to show you the process to create the A4 size in Excel. So first you need to go to Excel and click on any Excel file, and here you need to go to Page Layout tab. Click on that, and in the page setup there's an option called size. You need to click on the drop down arrow, and here are all the options of the sizes. Click on A4 and that's it. Now you can also print this file in A4. Go to File and click on Print. Here you can print your file in A4. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Meet you guys in the next video.